Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and today we're going to explore Panasonic TS series of air conditioners. This series has three different capacities under its hood. The 1-ton TS12SKY, 1.5-ton TS18SKY and the 2-ton TS24SKY. This is an inverter type AC range that promises solid performance and comes with Panasonic's brand trust. To understand more about this range, let's get into its features one by one. It's been 100 years of Panasonic coming up with groundbreaking products. This time, yet again, to smooth sail your way through summers, the brand has come up with another state-of-the-art yet user-friendly product range called the TS series of inverter ACs. In brief, as compared to fixed-speed ACs, inverter ACs automatically vary compressor speed to provide uniform and energy-efficient cooling. With up to 34% energy savings, Panasonic has really cut down on those high electricity bills for you. So friends, with the quality of air degrading day by day, it has become important to at least maintain healthy air inside the house. Panasonic TS series really contributes to this. This range is equipped with a PM2.5 filter, but before understanding the feature, let me tell you what PM2.5 is. PM2.5 is a pollutant which has a diameter less than 2.5 microns or millionth of a meter. This makes it very difficult for most air purifiers and ACs to detect it and repair. These particles can pose some serious health problems. However, Panasonic's TS series ACs effectively filter and remove up to 99% of PM2.5 particles, thus keeping your air clean and safe. In addition to PM2.5 filter, this series also boasts of a scatechin filtration that deactivates 90% of the odor-causing bacteria which is trapped by the filter. Friends, now let's understand a little bit about the hardware components of this AC. This AC's outdoor unit comes with a special EcoTough casing which is primarily made from Super Dyma metal sheet. This metal sheet is highly rust resistant, which eliminates the need of painting or any other kind of maintenance and ensures a corrosion-free longer product life. This AC also has an extra large heat exchanger that you'll find in very few ACs in this range. The extra large heat exchanger ensures maximum dissipation of heat from indoors. In addition to this, the condenser in this air conditioner comes with a special anti-rust coating called the Bluefin. This range is also equipped with aero wings, which is basically an arrangement of two independent air blades that control the direction of the airflow to ensure faster and a more comfortable cooling. To explain this better, the moment you switch on the AC, the aero wings direct and concentrate the airflow downwards for an instant relief from the heat. And before you start feeling uncomfortable and to prevent overcooling from direct airflow, the aero wings blades direct the airflow upwards to spread cool air evenly to a wider area across the room. This concept is called shower cooling, which keeps you cool and comfortable at the same time. Along with aero wings, this range also features a four-way swing. The beauty of this innovation is that with vertical and horizontal movement, the airflow is uniformly spread to every part of the room. So now every spot in the room can be your favorite spot. Panasonic TS series of air conditioners also feature a new wider intake grill and an improved indoor fan which comes with a much higher startup speed. The new chassis design, which is in the shape of a honeycomb, increases the suction of hot air and generates bigger air volume that contributes to faster cooling for you. Friends, Panasonic TS series is also equipped with different modes for different needs. First, there is a powerful mode which, as the name suggests, obtains the set temperature as quickly as possible. And that means as soon as the powerful mode is switched on, the set temperature will be automatically decreased by 3 degrees Celsius against the present setting temperature. The strong airflow quickly spreads the cool air inside the room, giving you quick comfort in practically no time. Second is the Eco mode. Now in this mode, the compressor operates at a lower frequency than normal, consuming less power than usual. This mode can be really helpful when the ambient or required temperature is low. Lastly, this AC is also eco-friendly. Unlike most other ACs where the refrigerant used harms the environment, these ACs use the environmental friendly refrigerant R410A. So friends, I think this series is packed with some really amazing features and I seriously recommend the TS series inverter ACs from Panasonic. You can go right ahead and buy it without any second thoughts. Also, if you're buying it on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Have a perfect bye.